Better go chuli, better near chuli, better chuli, generally make my pay them. I love being an chuli, guys, you know. So one better chuli, make my pay them. Pian one lutua, I need one lutit, my tego, one my timo jimmy, my bed, my doom, my well done, my kay one we have always been there, my timo jimmy, my bed, you know. One poor ye kitu kidogo, poor ye jimmy, my tiano, my dano mio, me corrupting our mind. That is who we actually people are, and you're actually gilengi yupe magibeju makai neno you know, they are nice curvy ladies, and you know, they are all nice, you know, in their own ways. We have the big, you know, we have the small, yeah, but all in all, they are beautiful people. I love the actually people because you know, they know how to, you know, tell their board, their malakwang, their, you know, la luinya wengi newton ne makakitero kero ne tie right iwene ma jemi ne wengi ma pay tem to, you know, amar me da choli awuba choli pegi nyome kapupia go no jami ma pegi tiki chenne pegi nyome kano jami don tie maginero ni gina nyimti dero gikero, you know, gina kal gitie dero bien gitie gweni gitie diegi gitie ma pegi yeru ngaro ma ken kinyom. That is who we are. Anyera wana choli, anyera choli, gien kagetika chono gi kongri, mahade, mahangwen, lo money ni eni ni charo komi pe tua ya de tua, anyera choli, amara woba choli, because one, we are people of defined characters. We are people of dignity, people who are responsible people. That is who we are. Could you know what timo do, but could you know what timo ka watiro tija, no ka wachara kamiel, no ke chara kamiel tiano, no konge furia wa jemi ne no weng bejo maki timo jemi ma bejo awoba choli wana nyera choli uno peki golu dire do wano ulu wara ya waro du dire wa pua mie pua da pua lueni kongido uno wachua kogido no wa war gido no wa mulu pinchon waka wa moru dire mutido. One war new has gone when a do John Lutua Amaru people mere people take people lead. But then again, let's unite, let's do things together to make sure that we together rise up to do things that are amazing for the Acholi people. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.